Ladies and gentlemen, what if the secret to better energy, stronger vitality, and renewed confidence wasn't hidden in an expensive bottle or a complicated treatment, but sitting quietly in your kitchen right now? Yes, something as simple as a cup of coffee, a slice of lemon, and a spoon of honey. Three natural ingredients, three powerful forces of nature. And when combined correctly, they can awaken your body in ways many people never expect. Because sexual health is not just about one moment of performance, it's about circulation, hormonal balance, nerve health, stamina, and the deep biological energy that fuels your entire body. And when these systems are supported, something remarkable happens. Your vitality returns. Coffee, when consumed properly, stimulates the nervous system and increases blood circulation. It wakes up the brain, sharpens focus, and helps blood flow move more efficiently through the body. That circulation is essential because healthy blood flow is one of the most important foundations of male sexual strength. Then comes lemon. That small slice carries an extraordinary amount of vitamin C, antioxidants, and compounds that support blood vessel health. These nutrients help protect arteries, improve elasticity, and assist the body in delivering oxygen and nutrients exactly where they are needed. And when your blood vessels function better, the entire body responds, including the systems responsible for stamina and performance. But the final ingredient is what transforms this simple drink into something truly powerful: honey. Raw honey has been valued for centuries as a natural energy booster. It contains enzymes, minerals, and natural sugars that provide sustained energy without the crash that processed sugar brings. It supports hormonal balance, reduces fatigue, and nourishes the body at a cellular level. When coffee, lemon, and honey come together, they create a simple drink that supports circulation, energy, and metabolic health. These are the exact foundations that influence physical confidence, endurance, and vitality. Now, let me show you how simple this recipe really is. Take 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee, not overly strong, just a normal cup. Add 1 thin slice of fresh lemon, then stir in 1 teaspoon of natural honey. That's it. No complicated preparation, no expensive ingredients, just three natural elements working together to support your body's natural systems. Drink it slowly in the morning or early afternoon. Give your body the time to absorb the nutrients and activate the systems that control circulation, energy, and hormonal balance. But remember this: no drink, no food, and no supplement is a miracle on its own. Real sexual health comes from a lifestyle that supports the body completely. Move your body every day. Eat foods that nourish your blood vessels and hormones. Sleep deeply. Reduce stress. And give your body natural tools that help it function the way it was designed to. Small daily habits create powerful long-term results, and sometimes the simplest recipe becomes the first step toward reclaiming your energy, confidence, and strength. So tomorrow morning, before you reach for anything complicated, try this simple combination: coffee, a slice of lemon, a spoon of honey. Start giving your body the support it deserves, because your vitality, your confidence, and your health are not things you wait for. They are things you build, one simple choice at a time. And today is the perfect day to begin. Imagine this for a moment. The strength of the human body is not determined only by muscles or hormones, but by something far more fundamental: circulation. Every second, your heart pumps blood through a vast network of vessels that stretch for thousands of kilometers inside your body. This flow delivers oxygen, nutrients, and energy to every cell. But here is the critical truth many people overlook: when circulation weakens, vitality weakens with it. And one of the first systems to feel the impact is the system responsible for stamina, endurance, and physical confidence. Think about what happens when blood moves freely and efficiently. Arteries remain flexible, tissues receive proper oxygen, and the organs responsible for reproductive health function at their full biological potential. But when circulation becomes sluggish, often due to stress, poor diet, inactivity, or aging, the body begins to send subtle warning signals. Fatigue appears earlier, energy levels drop faster. The responsiveness of the body becomes slower and less reliable. These are not random changes. They are the direct result of reduced blood flow and weakened vascular health. Now, here is where something surprisingly simple can make a difference: Coffee contains natural compounds that stimulate the central nervous system and encourage the body to increase blood circulation. Caffeine works by activating the cardiovascular system, helping blood vessels dilate and improving the efficiency of blood movement throughout the body. When circulation improves, oxygen delivery increases, nutrients reach tissues faster, and the entire body becomes more responsive and energized. But the real question is this: what happens when you begin supporting circulation consistently, day after day? Small improvements in blood flow can gradually translate into stronger endurance, sharper alertness, and a body that feels more alive and capable than it did before. This is why supporting cardiovascular health is not only important for the heart, it is deeply connected to energy, performance, and long term physical vitality. Have you ever wondered why some people maintain strong vitality and healthy circulation even as they age, while others begin to experience fatigue, weakness, and reduced physical responsiveness much earlier? The answer often lies deep inside the tiny inner lining of the blood vessels. This delicate layer, known as the vascular endothelium, plays a powerful role in controlling how blood moves through the body. When it remains healthy and protected, blood flows smoothly, arteries stay flexible, and the entire cardiovascular system functions with remarkable efficiency. But when this layer is damaged by oxidative stress, poor diet, or environmental toxins, the blood vessels slowly lose their ability to expand and deliver nutrients effectively. Here's the surprising part. One of the biggest hidden threats to vascular health is oxidative stress. Every day, your body produces unstable molecules known as free radicals. In small amounts, they are normal, but when they accumulate, they begin attacking cells, proteins, and blood vessel walls. Over time, this process can stiffen arteries, narrow circulation pathways, and reduce the body's ability to transport oxygen-rich blood where it is needed most. This gradual damage often goes unnoticed for years, silently weakening the systems responsible for endurance, energy, and physical strength. Now imagine introducing a simple natural defense into this process. Lemon is packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants that help neutralize these harmful free radicals before they damage the vascular system. These antioxidants support the repair and protection of blood vessel walls, helping arteries remain smooth and elastic. Vitamin C also plays an important role in collagen production, which strengthens the structural integrity of blood vessels and improves their flexibility. When arteries can expand and contract efficiently, circulation becomes more dynamic, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach tissues with greater speed and precision. But here is where the real biological advantage begins to appear. When antioxidants consistently protect the vascular system, the body can maintain healthier blood flow patterns, support cellular oxygen delivery, and sustain the delicate balance required for optimal metabolic and physical performance. What if the difference between constant fatigue and lasting energy was not hidden in complicated supplements, but in something humans have valued for thousands of years? Honey has long been recognized as one of nature's most remarkable natural energy sources, and its role in supporting the body goes far beyond simple sweetness. Inside every spoonful is a complex blend of natural sugars, enzymes, minerals, and antioxidants that the body can quickly absorb and convert into usable fuel. And here is where things become interesting, because the type of energy honey provides behaves very differently from the quick spikes and crashes caused by refined sugar. When the body consumes refined sugar, glucose levels in the bloodstream rise sharply, forcing the body to respond with a rapid release of insulin. This sudden surge is often followed by an equally rapid drop in energy, leaving a person feeling tired, sluggish, and mentally drained. Honey works in a much more balanced way. Its natural composition includes both glucose and fructose, allowing the body to receive immediate energy while also maintaining a slower, more sustained release of fuel over time. This gradual energy delivery helps stabilize blood sugar levels and prevents the sudden crashes that disrupt physical performance and stamina. But energy alone is not the only factor involved. Honey also contains small amounts of trace minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and zinc, along with natural antioxidants that help reduce inflammation inside the body. These compounds support metabolic efficiency, meaning the body becomes better at converting nutrients into energy rather than storing them inefficiently. When metabolism works efficiently, muscles receive better nourishment, the nervous system functions more smoothly, and the body can maintain higher endurance during physical activity. Now, think about the connection between sustained energy and overall vitality. When the body has a stable supply of fuel, it can maintain hormonal balance, support tissue repair, and remain physically responsive throughout the day. This steady internal energy environment allows the body to perform tasks requiring stamina, strength, and focus with far greater efficiency than when energy levels constantly rise and fall. What if the real key to physical responsiveness and endurance begins not in the muscles, but in the brain itself? Every movement, every reaction, every sensation that travels through the body is controlled by a complex communication network known as the nervous system. This system sends electrical signals from the brain through the spinal cord and into millions of nerve fibers that reach every organ, muscle, and tissue. When this communication network functions efficiently, the body reacts faster, energy is distributed more effectively, and physical performance becomes stronger and more coordinated. But here is something many people rarely consider. The nervous system can easily become sluggish. Lack of sleep, mental stress, poor nutrition, and long hours of inactivity can slow down neural signaling. When this happens, the brain struggles to maintain alertness, reaction time becomes slower, and the body begins to feel mentally and physically fatigued. This is why so many people experience low motivation, reduced focus, and diminished responsiveness, even when they believe they are getting enough rest. Now imagine activating this system in a natural and controlled way. Coffee contains caffeine, one of the most studied natural stimulants in the world. Once consumed, caffeine quickly enters the bloodstream and travels to the brain, where it blocks the neurotransmitter known as adenosine. Adenosine is responsible for signaling tiredness and slowing neural activity. When caffeine blocks this signal, the brain becomes more alert, neural communication speeds up, and the nervous system begins transmitting signals with greater efficiency. This heightened neural activity stimulates the release of other important neurotransmitters such as dopamine and norepinephrine, chemicals that influence focus, motivation, and physical readiness. As these signals travel through the nervous system, muscles receive instructions faster, reaction time improves, and the body becomes more responsive to physical stimulation. The result is a state of heightened alertness where both the mind and body operate with greater coordination, awareness, and energetic drive. Have you ever asked yourself why some people seem to maintain steady energy throughout the day while others constantly feel drained even after eating or resting? The answer often lies in the efficiency of the body's metabolism. Metabolism is the complex system responsible for converting the food you eat into usable energy. Every cell in the body depends on this process to fuel movement, maintain organ function, and support the countless biological reactions that keep you alive and active. When metabolism operates efficiently, nutrients are transformed into energy quickly and effectively. But when metabolic activity slows down, the body struggles to keep up with its own energy demands. Here is where the combination of coffee, lemon, and honey begins to play a fascinating supportive role. Coffee is known to stimulate thermogenesis, a natural process in which the body generates heat by burning calories. Caffeine activates the central nervous system and encourages the body to increase metabolic rate, meaning that stored energy sources are mobilized and converted into fuel more rapidly. This process can help the body feel more alert and physically ready for activity. Now consider the role of lemon in this equation. Lemon contains organic acids and plant compounds that stimulate digestive processes and support the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes help the body break down food more efficiently, allowing nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars to be absorbed more effectively into the bloodstream. When digestion improves, the body gains quicker access to the nutrients it needs to sustain energy production. Then honey enters the process as a natural fuel source. Its balanced mixture of simple sugars provides readily available energy for cells without overwhelming the metabolic system. Instead of forcing the body to work harder to extract energy from complex or processed foods, honey offers a direct and efficient source of fuel that cells can immediately utilize. This coordinated interaction between metabolic stimulation, digestive support, and natural energy availability helps the body maintain a higher level of internal activity and sustained physical readiness. What if the biggest mistake people make about health is believing that one powerful solution will change everything overnight? In reality, the human body does not transform through sudden dramatic actions. It responds to patterns, it responds to consistency. And most importantly, it responds to the small habits repeated every single day. The difference between declining energy and lasting vitality often comes down to daily routines that either support the body or slowly weaken it over time. Think about this for a moment. Every choice you make during the day sends a signal to your body. The foods you eat, the amount of water you drink, the hours you sleep, the level of stress you carry, and the amount of movement you give your muscles all influence how your internal systems function. These small actions quietly shape the health of your blood vessels, the balance of your hormones, and the strength of your nervous system. When these systems work together efficiently, the body feels energized, resilient, and capable of sustaining both mental and physical performance. Now imagine introducing a simple natural habit into that daily routine. A drink made with coffee, lemon, and honey may appear small, but small rituals can create powerful biological signals when practiced consistently. Coffee gently stimulates the nervous system and promotes alertness. Lemon contributes antioxidants and vitamin C that support vascular health and immune function. Honey provides natural fuel that helps stabilize energy levels throughout the day. When these elements become part of a balanced routine, they reinforce the body's natural rhythms rather than forcing sudden changes. But here's the deeper lesson many people overlook. The true power of health lies in repetition. Walking for 20 minutes every day strengthens the cardiovascular system. Choosing natural foods nourishes cells more effectively than processed alternatives. Prioritizing sleep allows hormones to regulate and tissues to repair. Reducing daily stress protects the nervous system from constant overload. Over weeks and months, these consistent actions accumulate, gradually transforming the way the body produces energy, manages circulation, and maintains long term vitality.